there is help. Okay, there's help if you have a 9 to 5 and you're looking for a way to escape that 9 to 5. Okay, you're working in a toxic work environment, you're working with co-workers that are like friendly enemies. Okay, well y'all, this is Sets with Chief. Welcome to yet another video. I'm excited to put out this video. I just want to put out this video because I know there's a lot of you out here that are just completely like you've reached the end of your rope. Basically, you are completely frustrated and you do not know what to do. Okay, so I'm talking to you if you are that person that is looking for a way out. Okay, you don't know what to do. You're at that 9 to 5. It's toxic. You have no time to yourself. You're basically living for the weekends, and the weekends are too short. Okay, you don't have you basically don't have a life outside of your work. Okay, so I'm talking to you today. All right, so just this video is to encourage somebody that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, but you have to be willing to open up your eyes to look at the opportunities that are out there around you, and you have to listen, be able to hear that voice inside that is telling you, that intuition that is telling you this is the right thing for you. Okay, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes, okay, and look at what is around you. Okay, all right. I'm like, was it Elisha? No, it was not. It was not Elisha. It was John the Baptist. He was the one that was out in the wilderness calling out, right, that the kingdom of God is near. Okay, so I am letting you know that your solution is here. Okay. Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and join the family, okay? Because I consider this a family because we're out here helping each other. You know, I listen to your comments and I put out videos to help you, okay? Because God has helped me, okay? Because I was not willing to settle. Please like the video. That shares it out to more people. The algorithm pushes it out to more people when you like it. And subscribe to this channel, share, okay? So there is help. Okay, there's help if you have a 9 to 5 and you're looking for a way to escape that 9 to 5. Okay, you're working in a toxic work environment, you're working with co-workers that are like friendly enemies. Okay, one day they're hot, the next day they're cold, the next day they're warm. It's just like not where you want to be. Okay, you're using that job to pay your bills, but it's not where you want to be. It's not the best place to be because it's a very unstable place whereby you don't know what's coming or going. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. You don't know if you're going to get a text after you leave work to not come back. You don't know what's going to happen, okay? That is where we're living today. So my advice, my strong advice, my godly advice to you is to find a way to make money apart from your 9 to 5. It's paramount that you do this, okay? It's dire. It's what other words can I use? It is very, very, very urgent that you do this because we're living in the times that are so uncertain, okay? That depending on somebody else's work, another person's entity, business to fund your life, it's not smart, okay? I have a whole nursing degree, okay? I became a registered nurse in 2011, August 2011, okay? This is over 10 years ago. What is that, 13 years ago? That exactly 13 years ago, okay? I realized quickly that it was not for me, okay? I worked in different facilities. I worked with home health. I worked in different things. People say that, oh, there's opportunities in nursing and this and that and everything. But I realized in my spirit that this is not for me, okay? And my children were really young at that time, okay? So I decided that, you know what, enough is enough. I have to realize, since I've realized this, I have to take action and do what I know is best for me, okay? And I took action, okay? I took the right kind of action, okay? Today, I run several businesses. And by the way, I just launched a course. It's called the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, okay? It includes a 4-part video series, okay? And it also includes bonuses, okay? Which are 3 different guides. How to run a middleman business, or the middleman business guide, how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car. And also, it also includes, what else did I mention? I mentioned the Masterclass, the middleman business, how to make with your 9 to 5 make a full-time income with your car, and finally, last but not least, it also includes the passive riches bundle. Okay, how to use digital marketing to promote courses, programs, digital courses, PDFs, ebooks, and make money. Okay, and the passive riches bundle. And the passive riches bundle itself includes 7 different guides with customizable templates that you can resell, recustomize, make it your own, rebrand, and all of those different things. Okay, put your own colors and resell it. Okay, and those by themselves are worth a whole lot more. Okay, I don't really want to mention the amount, but you can sell each and every one of those guides by themselves for $99. Okay, with the passive riches bundle. Okay. But what I'm saying here is that there's opportunities out there if you are willing to spread your wings and fly. You can make money right here. Set up a YouTube channel and have people that are interested in what it is that you have to offer. Okay, when you put yourself out there, I mean, these are not people that are like members of your family or friends that you've known for a long time. These are people like complete strangers, right? That decide that, what, they want to hear what you have to say. They like your personality, they like what you're putting out there, and they just want to be a part of it. Okay, they want to hear your point of view, they like your mindset. Okay, so there's different ways that you can make money. Okay, but sitting down there crying about your 9 to 5, being frustrated. Okay, I just watched a video some few weeks back of a 65-year-old that was in the same job for 12 years. He kept seeing people over the 12 years, people being laid off, here and there, in different departments. But for whatever reason, he felt comfortable, and that comfort is a killer. Okay, when you feel comfortable, when you feel so comfortable that like, oh, it's not gonna happen to me, I'll be fine, And now he's 55 years old, older, overweight, and all these different things, and he's putting out videos talking about the fact that they keep interviewing him and promising him job after job, and nobody's hiring him. Okay, so we don't want to put ourselves in situations whereby we're stuck, we're trapped. The best way to learn something is for somebody that has already been there and done that. Okay, so I run several businesses. I'm an entrepreneur. I do I'm a independent contractor, so I do package deliveries, but with things like large packages, that's why I made how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car. But that is included in this masterclass. Okay, so you can get all of those different guides, all included in this masterclass with a 4-part video series talking about how to start a mobile business and run it. Talking about the LLC and all of those kind of different things. How to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car. So using your car to make money. And then also the guide, how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car, includes 72 different apps that you can get started with. Food delivery, catering, medications, farming, all those different things. Okay, they're all included. Okay, so there's a whole lot of value, and I'm selling it for only $99. Okay, so if you go to sidebusinesscash.com, SIDE businesscash.com, it's right there. You can grab it and get started. Okay, but my point here is that if you are someone that has a 9 to 5 and you feel stuck, you don't have to be stuck. Okay, being stuck is a mindset thing. Okay, I mean, look at me just now. I mean, just today, I went out, put out some cards on, and the way I do it is, I actually went out with my daughter, but we just I made some postcards, and then I just put them on, some business cards actually, and I put them on the car doors. And right as I parked, somebody was like, oh, I need that service, right as I parked, right? And she called me later on, I actually missed her call, and I called her right back. And guess what? When I called her back, she booked a cleaning service. I have a cleaning service, service business, but that is as a middleman. Okay, so part of the masterclass, okay, is the middleman business guide. Talking about how to become a middleman, what it entails. And basically all you're doing is finding business owners or service providers, and linking them up with customers, right? And when they book, you get paid, and then you dispatch the work to the service providers. The customers then pay the service providers once the job is done. Okay, so the customer pays me, the customer pays them. I don't pay nobody. Okay, so it's perfect. Okay, and I'm gonna show you right here exactly how much I got paid. Okay, so I got paid $80. Okay, it should have been $100, but because she was like, okay, can she get a discount because she's a first time customer? I'm like, sure. So I give her a $20 discount. So I got paid $80, and then the balance of it, okay. So I put out $2 2-hour minimums, and then every hour after that, you know, it extends past that time. She's just gonna pay $70. So it just depends on when they start the work, okay. But bottom line is that you can get paid, okay? You can get paid from, I mean, like, you don't have to depend on a 9 to 5. You just have to open up your mind and be open, okay, to people that have been there, done that, and are putting out resources for you. You have to be willing to invest in yourself. You have to be willing to open up your mind. You have to be willing to change your mindset. Okay, you need to change your mindset so that you're not stuck doing the same thing, going through the same motions. Okay, all right. So I put out the masterclass to help people out there. I didn't want to make it so expensive that the average person cannot do it, cannot become a part of it. Okay, invest $99. You can't even fill up a grocery cart for that much anymore. Okay, so for the price of half a cart of groceries, you can start something that can change your life. Okay? It can change your life if you implement the steps that are in the masterclass, in the course. Okay, so you don't have to be stuck. Okay, if you want to be stuck, it's a mindset thing. Okay, but take those steps to change your life. Okay, take the steps to change your life. Don't stay in the same place complaining about the same thing and hoping for different results. Okay, I was somebody that was able to escape narcissistic abuse. So for almost like 1.5 years now, I've been on my own, okay? Taking care of 3 teenagers, okay? But if I didn't have the business mindset, if I didn't have the tools that I'm currently using to help myself, I wouldn't be able to help anybody else. I wouldn't even have been able to escape narcissistic abuse. Okay, if I have just some 9 to 5 job, you know, living from paycheck to paycheck, I wouldn't have been able to be here for my children. Okay, but because of the fact that I have all those tools, I know how to do digital marketing. I know how to run a mobile business. Okay, and that also is included in the masterclass. I know how to be an independent contractor and multi-app. I have all these skills. Okay, it allows me to be able to have more, do more, and be financially independent. I don't have to depend on anybody. Okay, so I'm not just putting it out here to sell a course. Yes, I want people to buy the course, but more importantly, I want to be able to give back. Okay, I wish I had somebody, you know, to hold me by the hand, or somebody to tell me that, hey, when I was trying to quit nursing and family members were against me, and I was being basically literally like choked to death. I wish I had somebody tell me that, hey, listen, okay, here is this course. Take this course, okay? This is the way you do it, okay? Watch these videos. Go through these guides, okay? Take the steps in here. I wish I had somebody, but there was nobody, okay? When I left nursing, I had to start from like the bottom of the bottom, okay? So you don't have to be that way, okay? So if you currently have a 9 to 5, good, okay? But don't depend on that 9 to 5. Invest in yourself. Don't just put all your money in the savings account and don't find ways, because if God forbid you get fired, you know, and it will happen. It will happen because a lot of these companies just see you as a liability, okay? That's why they don't give you raises. That's why they don't, you know, really do much to kind of like push you to motivate you, because it's like, you know, they see you as a liability because you're costing them money. Okay, that's why a lot of times when they fire people, they hire people and pay them less. People that are less qualified. Sometimes they even make you train them and then they fire you. So what I'm saying here is this: learn how to make money apart from your 9 to 5. Learn how to make money from your phone. Learn how to make money with your car. Okay, all right. So I have all this different combination of things that I do. So if I'm doing hair today, I might be doing somebody's hair tomorrow. If I'm not doing that, I might be getting some money from my middleman business. Either way, I'm always having money come in, okay? And you have to have multiple streams of income in this day and age. You don't want to just depend on one thing. You do not, okay? So even apart from my 9 to 5, I still have, I mean, apart from, I don't have a 9 to 5, but apart from like just the hair business, I have the, I actually have a notary business as well. But apart from that, I have my middleman business, which is actually my newest business, okay? But I have the guide. I have them all included in the masterclass, okay? Grab it now while the offer lasts. The price will be going up, but while the offer lasts, okay, I want to try to help people as much as I can, okay? For only $99, okay? You can get started on the journey to change your life, okay? Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Again, like the video, leave your comments, share the video, and till next time, peace.